Are you ready to see how AI is not just a buzzword, but a game changer for real estate professionals? Hi, I'm Grant Hackett, proud owner of Smart Sale Real Estate. Today we're diving into the cutting-edge ways AI is transforming our industry and what it means for you. Let's start with one of the most crucial aspects of real estate, property appraisals. Traditionally, this has been a mix of art and science, relying heavily on experience and market knowledge. But AI is changing the game. Are you aware that with AI-powered predictive analytics, you can now analyze market trends, historical data, and property features in seconds, providing a much more accurate property appraisal for your clients? This means you can offer your clients a pricing strategy backed by data, boosting their trust and enhancing your reputation. Now we'll talk about client communications. We all know how time-consuming it can be to manage client inquiries, schedule viewings, and provide updates. But what if you could automate some of that? AI chatbots are now available to offer 24/7 support, answering questions, scheduling appointments, and even suggesting properties based on client preferences. Surprised? This frees up your time, allowing you to focus on what really matters, closing deals and building relationships. Now let's look at market analysis. The real estate market is constantly shifting, and keeping up with trends can be challenging. And while AI requires you to undertake some training, AI is here to help you. Are you aware AI tools can analyze vast amounts of market data, identifying emerging trends, predicting market movements, and providing actionable insights? With this information on hand, you can give your clients the best advice on where to buy and sell, giving you a real competitive edge. As you can see, AI is revolutionizing how we operate in real estate, making our jobs more efficient and our services more valuable. And this is just the beginning. In our next video, we'll explore how you can start implementing these AI tools in your business. Stay tuned for more insights. Visit our website, smartsale.co.nz, for updates, and stay tuned for the next video in this series. And don't forget to subscribe. Grant Hackett, Smart Sale Real Estate, signing off.